Alright, well now that I know the head's got to come off, there ain't no point in crawling over it. Just got to get in there and get it done. So, rip all this housing off here for where the coolant runs, wire up the back that needs to come off, pull the front half of the timing case off, which is good, and then it comes off in one half. We'll have to pull that the idler pulley off, which is easy enough. AC compressor coming off, exhaust manifold, and we'll be able to rip it head off. Shouldn't take too long. It's a pain in the ass, but what are you gonna do? Let's tear it apart now. So I've got the head off, and that's going to go into town and get checked out. Looks like a couple of the pre-combustion chamber caps are cracked. Yeah, so I've got the ejectors back out again. So that into town, see what they reckon.